What is reality, nigga? 'Cause it's a cold world. So what's going on, guys? It's EJ, aka Gohan. And look where we are at. Dre.
What is reality?
Paradise.
What is reality? I'm done with all the
I am currently in Puerto Rico, but I'm in a specific location in Puerto Rico. Very beautiful, very kind of out getawaysy, very naturistic vibes. As you can see, the water looks beautiful. So yeah, man, as you can see, the water is blue, crystal clear, beautiful. Why wouldn't you give thanks? This is a great time to give thanks. Look at that. Mama says she likes me. I think I have a flat because I'm not with the shits. I ain't here to chatter. I'm feeling like glass. I just want to shatter. Give thanks. The more I'm so niggas get mad because I don't need grateful. I get it from within. From my higher side. Blood out, blood in. The X where's E. He left in the wind. And it's okay to sin. Cause nobody's perfect. And you will never win. Even if you feel really hot. Like Jeremy Lin. It's only for a season. Never for a gin. And never sell your soul for a blacked out Benz. And the eyes is the one that's for the soul. Take the tints off and you should grow. And if you ever stress, remember to take it slow. And never rush. Always keep it on the fucking low. Being, you know, that's cooking on the stove. And being grateful, having gratitude, being courageous, being charismatic, being open-minded. It's so awesome when you implement these things and, you know, see where it takes you and where you end up in life. You know, it's the little things that matter. We make life so complicated, and we are we seek out complicated things because of what we are taught and what has been shown in our faces, or basically what we have been programmed to believe. So the less complicated we make our lives, is the more simpler things become. It makes sense to us. So yeah, having gratitude. Wake up every morning. Have gratitude. Be thankful. There's always something to be thankful for. There's always something to have gratitude for. When we focus on these things, which are the pillars to success, which is the pillars to, you know, having a beautiful life and understanding things in different ways and perspectives. It's a beautiful thing. Also being charismatic and showing sympathy and open-mindedness towards other people's opinions and other people's lives. So these are basic foundational thinking, basic foundational mind work that we have to start really digging deep and paying attention towards and implementing, because it will not only make your life better, but it will make the world better. Think about it. In order to save the world, in order to make the world a better place, you have to first save yourself. First, realize what areas you lack in. And 3, implement the steps that it's gonna take to make you a better person. Everything is a balance. Being selfish is a good thing, and being selfish can also be a bad thing. In order to make the world a better place, or leave the world better than you came, or than you left it, we have to be selfish. Which in other words means we have to look at where we need to work on. See the areas of improvements that we need to incorporate so we can make ourselves a better person, a better human being. So when we put ourselves into society, and go out into the corporate realm or whatever the case may be that involves being around people, we can now influence, we can attract, and we can be positive role models in positive, healthy ways. Why? Because we started with I. We started with myself. So take control of your life. Take control. As you can see, I'm out here. Just a little light walk. I call it a nature walk. And these nature walks are important, and I highly advise you guys to start implementing these nature walks, because the benefits of these nature walks is, one, you're grounding. So now you're one with the earth. So in other words, you're healing. And then that turns into catching downloads, information. Basically, when you're on your nature walks and you're grounded and you're one, now you're able to tap more inside of yourself, figure out your flaws, figure out what you need to work on. So nature walks, very important to implement. 3, you're out in nature. You can't beat that. You got the sand, you got the water, you got the sun, fresh air, fruit, all outside. And then some people may say, well, I don't live on an island, or I don't have that convenience. But nature is all around us. We have to first have gratitude and thankfulness and make our reality where we are now, so we can get to that reality. It's the mindset shift, the mindset change. So just like you're out in the cold, or even if you're up north, but it's the summertime, you can still ground. You can take your socks off. You can get on that dirt. You can get in those mountains, on those trails. You can get that sun. You can get that fresh air. The same thing that you can do in the tropics. So there's no excuse. It's how bad you want it. And remember, in order to make the world a better place, you have to start with you. So you have to take control. Beautiful birds out, coconuts everywhere, beautiful sand, clear water, blue sky, sunshine. So yeah, being on this nature walk has helped me to understand how abundant this world is. This planet we have is so abundant. There's coconut everywhere, all over the floor, which tells me that we're abundant, man. Look at all these coconuts. And it's so green, healthy. You got life being born all over the place, as you can see. Oh God, it's super dense. See the coconuts up here as well. Let's see if I can put this down. See, coconuts up here. Wow. Beautiful coconuts. Coconut. Agua de coco. See if I can pull it down. Nobody's perfect, and you will never win. Even if you feel really hot, like Jeremy Lin. It's only for a season, never for a gin, and never sell your soul for blacked out bins. And the eyes of the one for the soul. Okay, I'm in a better spot now. See. And if you ever stress, remember to take it slow and never rush. Always keep it on the fucking low. It's like the pot of rice that's cooking on the stove. And I'm not gonna shit out. Take a shame mode. One down. I'm gonna get some land. I'm gonna have some growth. My third eye. I can get another. I'm so woke.
and
another.
it's me out on the dead low, but there's no
See if I
time
can
to
get
sit,
another.
cry, and mope. I gotta work more harder, look inside the scope, and I'm back at it like I never left.
another.
I never take rest. I'm chasing after checks. I need a day of
Look at the
rest.
coconut
I gotta
sprout,
heal
as
the
you can
body.
see.
I gotta hear a
It is
set.
a baby
And no, I can't settle
coconut.
for nothing
The coconut
ever
falls
less.
from the
This
tree
game
like
of
this.
life, it's really like chess.
And they start to
when you
grow
fucking
and they
speak,
root.
say it with your
As you can
chest.
see,
And don't cause
it
a
is
scene,
tight,
'cause I'll leave a mess.
sealed into the
pain
earth.
I put in will
Grounded.
really have you stressed. And if you ever come, always come
So
correct.
beautiful.
Diamonds and baguettes,
So much life.
plays and jets,
These are
APs
all
and texts,
coconuts, as you can
wonderful
see.
sex, stars in the wraith, rims on the Lex, spit 50 on
These
the
are
neck.
coconut
I'm colder than
sprouts.
the ice, sitting in the
So,
freezer. I'm coming
I'll
for
take
your
one so you
Caesar.
guys can
Leave them girls alone.
see
Really some skeezers.
what I'm
If you
talking
ain't
about.
Lisa, you know you gotta leave
So I'll
them.
grab this
Or you could have neither. Bad
boy right here.
never tell a lie.
Damn.
Catch it by surprise. You gon' have
And I'll cut this open so you guys can see.
what you wanna do. It's like a Rubik's Cube. I'm coming in smooth with all the loot. I haven't hit snooze for about a week. I'm so stressed out. I haven't had sleep. I've been thinking so much about the dream.
Dame un agua de coco. De coco. De coco. I forgot my machete at the house, so I gotta work with a kitchen knife, so please bear with me. Do not make fun of me. Let's just be friends.
What is reality? What is reality? I'm done with all the faking fallacies. Cause no weapon formed against me shall slash me, or bash me, or prosper, divide and conquer. Sleepless hot summers, no slumbers, just a dollar and a dream. And cold summers, could never make it to the court. And my shit used to be automatic, or asthmatic, or spasmatic. Back then, I really wreaked havoc. And back then, I really was a savage. My heart filled with envy, greed, and malice. I wanna be on a boat, living lavish. What is the key to success? Where's the passion? Is that the very exact? I'm gonna lose my passion. Nothing else matters. Everything we learn is backwards. And if you run for your problems, they're gonna come at you. It's like a band-aid. You put on backwards. Mama says she likes me. I think I have a flattered, cause I'm not with the shits. I ain't here to chatter. I'm feeling like glass. I just wanna shatter. Pancakes battered. The more I keep pushing, niggas get madder cause I don't need a ladder. I
So
get it
beautiful.
from within, from my higher self.
Even got
But
the
I
little
was
wedding
blended. They asked
overhang
where's E? He left
to get
in the
married.
wind. And it's okay to sin,
Nature always
'cause
finds a
nobody's
way
perfect, and you will
to
never
remind
win,
us
even
that
if you feel really
we
hot,
are
like
you,
Jeremy Lin.
and
It's
you
only
are
for a
me.
season, never for
We
a
are the
gin.
same.
Never sell your soul for a blacked out Benz,
Just
and the
looking for
eyes is
Eve.
the one
Where's
that's for the
Eve at?
soul. Take the
Oh
tents
wow,
off,
look at this.
use
Somebody
your
went
roll.
coconut
And if you ever
crazy.
stress, remember to take it slow.
Coconut
And never
is
rush,
everywhere.
always keep it on the fucking low. Just
And
like
this
the
looks
pot of
like a
rice
termite
cooking on
mound,
the
if I'm not
stove. And I'm
mistaken.
knocking shit out like Sugar
Not
Shane
sure
Moe.
exactly.
I'm gonna get some land, I'm gonna have
Yep,
some growth.
termite
My third
mounds.
eye open, I'm so
Which is
woke.
pretty cool.
And it's stressing
There's another
me out.
termite
On
mound
the
right
dead
here.
low, but there's no time to sit, cry,
Let's
and mope.
see.
I gotta work more harder, look inside the scope. And I'm back at it like I never left.
Yep,
I never
termite
take
mound.
rest. I'm chasing after checks. I need a day of rest. I gotta
More
heal the
coconuts.
body. I gotta hit reset. And no, I can't settle for nothing
Tapping
ever
in
less.
back to nature.
This game of life is really
Beautiful.
like chess. And when you fucking speak, say it with your
Beautiful flowers.
chest. And don't cause a scene, cause I'll leave a mess. The pain I've put in will really have you stressed. And if you ever come, always come correct. Diamonds and baguettes, airplanes and jets, EPs and texts. Wonderful sex, storms and rain. Spin 50 on the neck. I'm colder than the ice.
Lots
Sitting in
of
the
bees,
freezer. I'm coming for your
which is a
season.
great
Leave the
problem
girls
to
alone.
have.
They really some
And it's no
skeezers.
problem
If you
anyways.
can't please her, you know you gotta leave
We
her.
create
Or
all
you
our
could've
problems.
knees
We
her.
don't need no
Fuck her,
problems.
don't feed her, never
Just
tell her
be.
lies. Don't catch her by surprise. You gonna have daughters too, so pick and choose what you wanna do. It's like a Rubik's Cube.
Take a look at these blue dawn flowers that I picked off the bush. They smell really good. They smell like downy sheets, if you ask me. Very beautiful.
In the eyes is a wonder to the soul. Take the tints off, and you should grow. And if you ever stress it, remember to take it slow. And never rush, always keep it on the fucking low. It's like the pot of rice that's cooking on the stove. And I'm knocking shit out like sugar shane mo. I'm gonna get some land, I'm gonna get some growth. My third eye open, I'm so woke. And it's stressing me out on the dead lows. But there's no time to sit, cry, and mope.
I am trying to make a necklace, or I'm just practicing my braiding, I guess. Just having fun in the sun. Woo!
What is reality? I'm done with all the faking fallacies. Cause no weapon formed against me shall slash me, or bash me, or prosper. Divide and conquer. Sleepless hot summers, no slumbers. Just $1 in a dream. And cold summers could never make it to the court. And my shit used to be automatic, or asthmatic, or spasmatic. Back then, I really wreaked havoc. And back then, I really was a savage. My heart filled with envy, greed, and malice. I wanna be on a boat, living lavish. What is the key to success? Where's the passion? Cause at this very exact, I'm gonna lose my passion. Nothing else matters, everything we learn is backwards. And if you run from your problems, they're gonna come at you. It's like a bandage, you put on backwards. Mama says she likes me, I think I have a flatten. Cause I'm not with the shits, I ain't here to chatter. I'm feeling like glass, I just wanna shatter. Pancakes battered, the more I keep pushing. Niggas get madder cause I don't need a ladder. I get it from within, from my higher self. Blood out, blood in, they asking where's he? He left in the wind, and it's okay to sin. Cause nobody's perfect, and you will never win. Even if you feel really hot, like Jeremy Lin. It's only for a season, never for a gin. And never sell your soul for blacked out bins. And the eyes is the wonders to the soul. Take the tints off, and you should grow. And if you ever stress, remember to take it slow. And never rush, always keep it on the fucking low. Just like the pot of rice that's cooking on the stove. And I'm knocking shit out, a sugar shane mo. I'm gonna get some land, I'm gonna have some growth. My third eye open, I'm so woke. And it's stressing me out on the dead low. But there's no time to sit, cry, and mope. I gotta work more harder, look inside the scope. And I'm back at it, like I never left. I never take rest, I'm chasing after checks. I need a day of rest, I gotta heal the body, I gotta hear reset. And no, I can't settle for nothing ever less. Cause this game of life is really like chess. And when you fucking speak, say it with your chest. And don't cause a scene, cause I'll leave a mess. The pain I put in will really have you stressed. And if you ever come, always come correct. Diamonds and baguettes, airplanes and jets, APs and texts, wonderful sets, stars in the reef, rims on the left, spin 50 on the neck. I'm colder than the ice, sitting in the freezer. I'm coming for your Caesar, and leave them girls alone. They really some skeezers. If you can't please her, you know you gotta leave her. Or you could amuse her, don't fuck her, don't feed her, never tell her lies.
Here are my 2 items that I made. I'm not sure what it is. Don't quote me, don't make fun of me. I just did whatever I felt, whatever was at the top of my mind. Beautiful looking things. Make sure you guys comment. Put in the comment chats. Gohan, you so sexy. Gohan, we love you. And make sure you guys put a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Whatever you feel is best. And make sure you guys share this. Because there's always one person, una persona, in this world that needs motivation. And there's one person in this world that needs to see this message. So make sure you guys send that to that person. Hey man, just sending you this inspiration and motivation for you, because I feel like this would be helpful for you. Peace, love you, simple. And make sure you guys subscribe. But hold up, in order for you guys to subscribe, you know what I gotta do. Touch the sky. I just touched it. Make sure you hit that sub button. And if you don't hit that sub button, you're gonna be in your dreams. You're gonna have nightmares. Gohan is coming. Gohan the Reaper. Make sure you guys hit that sub button. And comment what you guys want to see next. And we'll see you guys later. Peace.
Time to sit, cry, and mope. I gotta work more harder. Look inside the scope. And I'm back at it like I never left. I never